One of the things that I am guilty of having said before I saw you online and talking about the whole journey was that this is second best to the real thing. Now, some of our conversations have perhaps challenged that, and maybe some of them have been based on the fact that I haven't liked the look of some of the stuff that's out there, but recognize that the burden of having a dog, the stress of having a cleaning responsibility in addition to a caring one, all of those things. So I'd love to know what your thoughts are, because you've been on a longer journey than me with this.
It's a great question, and a really important question for Tombot to remain sensitive to. We're not looking to compete with dogs. We're not looking to displace dogs where they're being successfully maintained. Rather, we're looking to fill the void, like for my mother, where a dog can no longer be safely or practically cared for. But that said, people want a really great experience in a product like this, and children's toys that have been rebranded for seniors. My mom had zero interest in that, and many seniors have very little interest in that. We took a very scientific, very data-driven approach to product design. First of all, to figure out if there was really something we could do that could be effective, and then secondly, once we realized we could, where the product had to go in order to maximize the benefit, the health benefits. And through our customer studies, we realized that older persons with dementia have a very strong preference for realism, realism in appearance, realism in texture, but most importantly, realism in behaviors. And being a bunch of tech folks, we had no idea how to do that. So we reached out to the animatronics community in Hollywood and teamed up with Jim Henson's Creature Shop. They're the folks that have done the wonderful work behind the Muppets, Sesame Street, the Dark Crystal movie, and the prequel that's now on Netflix. And they, with their help doing our artistic design, we're building what we believe to be as the world's most realistic robotic animal that's scientifically designed to reduce the behavioral and psychological symptoms of dementia and reduce their need for certain medications, including psychotropics and opioids.